Hindi pa rin nagmamaliw ang paniniwala kong muling lalandasin ng iyong mga yapak ang landas pabalik sa akin, Koyo.
1, 2, 3, until the moon sets again. There, Remedios waits, in the secret place where she meets her beloved, Goyo. Under the acacia tree again, the place where the first met. Countless days and nights she waits to see the young soldier who promised to return to her side again.
Maganda ang lugar na 'to. Paborito ko rin 'to tuwing gusto kong tumakas sa dami ng tao.
Bago ko makaligtaan, maaari ko bang malaman ang iyong ngalan, Binibini?
Remedios, iyan ang aking ngalan. Rapat na siguro tayong umalis. Baka hanapin ka na rin ng iyong mga kasama.
Kung ako lang masusunod, hindi pa kita iiwanan.
Tulong! Magnanakaw!
Dali lang, huwag niyo siyang saktan. Isang batang wala ka buwang mga pinagdidiskitan niyo. Kita sa kanya mga mata ang takot at ka. Hindi siya magnanakaw.
Hindi mo maaaring sabihin na hindi siya ang nagnakaw ng mga alahas batay lang sa walang kwenta mong opinyon. Dakpin ang bata.
Naalala ko pa nung nililigawan pa lamang kita dadalaw tuwing gabi. Masilayan lamang ang iyong mga ngiti at ika'y sasabihan bukas ng alas 7 sa dating tagpuan. Buo ang araw ko, marinig ko lang ang mga himig mo. Hindi ko man alam kung nasan ka. Wala man tayong komunikasyon. Maghihintay sa'yo buong magdamag dahil ikaw ang buhay ko. Kung inakala mo ng pag-ibig ko'y magbabago, itaga mo sa bato. Dumaan man ang maraming Pasko, kahit na di mo nabot ang sahig, kahit na di mo na ako marinig, ikaw pa rin ang buhay ko.
Kaya ko to.
lang kasing ganda. Amoy roses ang nalimuyak. Kung nanaisin ng tadhanang mapalin lang, di hahayaan mawala pa tong liham ng maasang mata mong makabasa. Handang gawin lahat, maging pamilya'y iligawan, na yan lang nakadama ng wagas na pagkamangha. Hiling ka lang naman na tayo na sanang dalawa, na siyang huli at ang umpisa. Papatunayan ang unang pag-ibig ay di mawawalan.
The way we held each other's hand, the way we talked, the way we laughed, it felt so good to find true love. I knew right then and there you were the one. Oh,
Pagbalik ko,
I know that he
pakakasalan
loved me
kita.
'cause he told me so. I know that he loved me.
Aasa akong babalik kang muli, Koyo.
You see he cares for me. You see how he is so deep in love.
As written in the history, General Gregorio del Pilar led his troops at Tirad Pass to give President Aguinaldo time to escape from the Americans. Even though he knew it might cost his life, he didn't back down and surrender. He bravely faced the fight, carrying his love for the country. But deep inside, he was also afraid that he might never come back to Remedios. In the last moments of his life, while soldiers were running and his fellow Katipuneros were falling one by one, he wiped the sweat and blood off his face using Remedios' handkerchief. Then, in the short moment of silence before the final gunshot hit him, he remembered his promise. As the bullet hit his head, the only thing on his mind was his memories of Remedios. Still her, the girl he promised to marry, the girl he thought of in the last seconds of his life.
Whenever I can share her laughter, that funny little girl, slipping through my fingers all the time. I try to capture every minute, the feeling in it, slipping through my fingers all the time.
At kung hindi man dumating sa akin ang panahon na ako ay mahalin mo rin, asahan mong di ako magdaramdam kahit ako ay nasasaktan.